Hello guys, Jaden here, and today we are going to be making a helicopter. And what we are going to need is these 3 propellers. You can get all this stuff out of this fun science kit I got for my birthday. It's Boom Fun with Science, ages 5 and up. So we need the 5 propellers, a balloon, any balloon, the floating top, and the thing to attach the propellers to. So I'll attach the propellers. One right there. Yep. One right here. And one right there. Yep. And now we are going to have to put this on. It's going to be tricky. And gotta get both fingers. Okay, so it's like that now. Now we're gonna attach it. Nope, wait, I forgot stuff. I'm gonna blow it up. I would prefer it being less blown up than all the way blown up. So like, so about like right there. That's not all the way blown up. And we attach it like that, okay? Now let me flip. And we are gonna be letting it go in a minute. So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it got stuck on the chair. But it was flying. It was flying. That is cool. That is cool. And I got that out of that science kit for my birthday. So smash that like button, turn on notifications, and what am I forgetting? And stay tuned for our next video. There we go. Bye-bye.